Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Today's project is the ultimate screen door installation from Home Depot. Here are the tools and materials we used. Here are pictures of the tools in case you don't recognize them. Starting by getting the door out and getting it ready to hang. Put it on, as soon as I get the materials off, I'll put it on some jacks to lift it to help hold it in place to put the hinges on. In this case I needed to get some help to hold it while I got the hinge start. So you'll see that in a moment. I'm setting it on the jacks now to be able to raise the door and lower it to line up the hinge holes. It's a little difficult by myself, so I asked the homeowner there to give me a hand for a second. Once the first hinge screw is in, the rest of it goes pretty quickly. Over to the right just a little bit too far, so the handle needs more clearance, so I'll be measuring to move the door over slightly so that the handle will have enough clearance. Get a measurement on how much to move it, and then move it over. Marking them out to move it sideways so that I know exactly where it's got to go. Mark it down here at the bottom also. top screw first to make sure that the height remains the same. And then I can just move it over a little bit to change the position of the door. This door comes with temporary screws to locate the door, and then after you've got it located, you put in the permanent stainless steel screws. Okay, I got the screw out, moving over into position, and we'll hold my toe under it to keep it there, and then get the screw replaced in that one. I'll move back down to the bottom, take that screw out, and then move it sideways so we maintain the height. Level to make sure that it's plumb when we get it set again. Needs to be pretty level through everything so that it works properly. Have just a little bit catching on the edge of the door frame, so we're good. Now I'm installing the upper seal and door frame. The upper seal and door frame help locate the striker side. So put that up there. This door's pretty nice. It has a seal all the way around it, all four sides, so that it's well sealed when you close it so insects and things don't get inside. It's a big problem here in Hawaii, insects and geckos and so forth. Right now I'm preparing the door frame, or the door handle set up to put it in, so once the door handle's installed, then we can set the striker. Now that the door handle's installed, we'll put the striker side on to the door frame. There's a piece that goes in after that covers all the screws, and you don't have any screws showing at all. Once that's in, that's that skinny piece that you would see. Take inside, get it out of the way. It's a little flexy, so it's kind of hard to keep it without bending it. So put that inside with the other one temporarily until we get the other side on here. Something sticking out on the door frame there where the piece goes. Okay. trimming the rubber seal's a little long, so I was trimming it to fit. Now that that's trimmed and it's ready to go up against the top rail there and locate it with the striker, get the gap about right so that we have enough room for it to open and close and the striker be in place. I got the first screws in the striker there now. Now I'm putting the permanent screws in around it. Then I'll be putting the hide strip in that'll hide the screws. So that's what that white strip I'm working with now is to hide the screws. You can see the screws down there by the striker edge. These are really pretty hard to get in. I'm using a wooden block and my hammer to set those. To get the last one in here next to the striker. Now there's a striker guard that goes on. The screws are already in the door. You have to unscrew them out of the door and place the striker piece. You can see it now. It covers part of the gap there.